I am Hannah, your friendly food enthusiast from Bloggin Good Food. Today, we are going to tackle a common kitchen dilemma: how to reheat baked potatoes. It's no wonder they are a staple in many households. Whether you have leftover baked potatoes or you simply want to enjoy this delicious side dish again, I have got you covered. Stay tuned as I share two safe and foolproof methods to reheat those pots to perfection. Now, let's get cooking. The first method we are going to explore is using the oven. It's a great option if you want to enjoy that crispy skin we all love. Here's what you will need. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. The gentle heat ensures even reheating without drying out the potatoes. Take your leftover baked potatoes and place them on a baking sheet. Remember, using a baking sheet allows for better air circulation and helps prevent potatoes from becoming mushy. Using a fork, pierce each potato a few times to allow steam to escape during the reheating process. This prevents the potatoes from bursting. Once your oven is preheated, pop the baking sheet with the potatoes inside. The moderate heat will gently warm the potatoes. Let them reheat for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they are heated through. This may vary depending on the size and thickness of the potatoes. Once they are done, take them out of the oven and let them cool for a minute or two. This allows the potatoes to set and become easier to handle. Finally, serve your reheated baked potatoes with your favorite toppings like sour cream, chives, or cheese. You can even experiment with different flavor combinations to make them even more exciting. Now, if you're short on time, the microwave is a best friend. Did you know that microwaving potatoes is a quick and efficient way to reheat them? While the texture may not be as crispy as the oven method, it's a convenient option for those busy days. Here's how you do it. Take your leftover baked potatoes and place them on a microwave-safe plate. Using a microwave-safe plate ensures safe reheating without any risks. Just like in the oven method, use a fork to pierce each potato a few times. This allows steam to escape, preventing the potatoes from becoming too moist. Cover the plate with a microwave-safe lid or a microwave-safe plastic wrap. This creates a steamy environment, helping the potatoes retain moisture and preventing them from drying out. Microwave the potatoes on high for 2 to 4 minutes, depending on the size and quantity of the potatoes. The microwave's high heat quickly warms the potatoes, but be cautious not to overcook them. Carefully remove the plate from the microwave. It will be hot. Use oven mitts or a towel to protect your hands. Let the potatoes rest for a minute or two before serving. This allows the heat to distribute evenly within the potatoes. Top them with your favorite condiments and voila! Your reheated baked potatoes are ready to be enjoyed. And there you have it, two safe and effective methods for reheating baked potatoes. Remember, potatoes are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. If you want to explore more food-related tips, kitchen product reviews, and amazing recipes, head over to my website blogginggoodfood.com. There, you will find a treasure trove of culinary delights to satisfy your food cravings. Thank you for joining me today, and happy cooking!